Hey viewers, welcome to K4 Media and Technology, and today we are again going to use a sponge painting. For this we are placing the three different colors in one common sponge and we are going to trace a cactus as shown here. Then for detailing we can use the sponge of different sizes like shown in the video. We are placing the 7 different colors on the sponge and tracing the rainbow. It's so simple. This drawing is suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11 years. This one is crushed paper drawing. For this we will crush the paper as shown here and dip it in the colors so that we are able to draw this vase. And for this we are using the stencil to draw this flower vase. And now draw the stalk using the watercolors. Decorate this painting using the earbud as shown here. We are going to create the look deep down the sea. For this, we are using the sketch pen. First we will draw the starfish, crab, some another types of fish, water plants, etc. Use some attractive colors because deep down the sea everything looks so cool and attractive. Next one is full of fun. For this we are using the tape and writing I love tab. You can write anything whatever you want to. After that we are going to spread the color using the sponge and then we will remove the tape and see the magic. To make it look more bold we can use the sketch pen like we are using here. This drawing is suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10 years. It's a simple drawing and here we are showing something village look, and don't forget to draw the vegetables like the pumpkins. This drawing is so simple, you can use any of the colors. I am using the sketch ones for filling it with colors. This one we are using the natural leaves. After that we are going to use the sponge for drawing the ants as shown here. Difficulty level is very easy and it's suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 and 8 years. One is the crafty activity. Here we are using the fluid to draw the different designs for the white color and we can use it other watercolors for drawing the different patterns. Draw some single strokes of the brushes as shown here. Difficulty level for this drawing is medium and it's suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 and 10 years. Don't forget to place some butterflies in between the trees as shown here. First you trace on the butterflies in the paper and then trim it in the shape. Let's try to draw a landscape. For this we are tracing roughly using a pencil the whole view of the landscape. After that we are carefully coloring them using the crayons. This one is so easy and it's suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 and 12. Now it's time to draw a flower bouquet like shown here. It's full of tulips. Try to draw them in the same way as we are doing. It's simple, not complicated one. This is suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 and 9 years old. You can use sketch pens for coloring them. Thanks for watching.